Hi, you're probably wondering why on earth I'm spinning this hamster wheel. All will become clear in a moment. But right now, I've got a quick question for you. Are you tired of starting every single month at zero? I mean, think about it. No matter how hard you work, no matter how many products you sell, you always end up right back where you started. Here's the truth most people don't want to admit. Selling one-off products is keeping you stuck on a hamster wheel. You hustle, you grind, you chase the next sale. And the moment you stop working, the money stops too. That's not freedom, that's exhausting. But what if instead of starting from zero every month, you could wake up tomorrow to money already in your account? And next month, it happens again. And the month after that, again. Not because you learned something new, but because you built a system that pays you like clockwork. That's exactly what the world's biggest companies do. Amazon, Netflix, Disney, Apple, they all rely on recurring revenue. Not because it's trendy, but because the most powerful business model ever created. And here's what they don't want you to know. You don't need to be a tech giant to do this. And you don't need months or years to set it up either. What if I told you that you could have your own recurring revenue membership up and running in as little as 7 days? Yeah, you heard that right. 7 days. And I can show you how. My name's Shane Doyle. I've got something very special for you today. It's called Rapid Recurring Revenue, a simple step-by-step system that shows you how to build a fixed-term membership fast, even if you're starting from scratch. It kicks off with a 1 hour and 9-minute video training. It walks you straight through the Rapid system, exactly what to do, in what order, and why it works. No fluff, no theory, just clear steps you can follow immediately. And if you'd rather read instead of watch, everything's laid out for you clear, easy to follow, downloadable PDF guide. Plus a set of done-for-you bonuses that removes guesswork and help you move even faster. With the Rapid Recurring Revenue system, there are no months of content creation, no complicated tech setup, no endless planning. Just a clear path that gets you from zero to earning recurring revenue faster than you ever thought possible. Look, just one new member per day, paying you $29.95 a month, would make you over $64,000 in a year. And you can start building that this week. Not next year, not next month, this week. And look, I get it. You might be thinking, can it really be that fast? That's why you're covered by a 30-day, no questions asked guarantee. Go through the system, put it to work, see the results for yourself. If you don't believe this is the easiest and fastest way to build recurring income, just ask for a refund. So here's the real question. You want to keep starting from zero every month, waiting for the perfect time to build something better? Or you want to take just 7 days and change everything? Click the button just beneath this video and lock in your spot. And let's build your recurring revenue stream together rapidly. Go click that button to get instant access right now. And I look forward to hearing about your success with your recurring revenue hitting your bank account like clockwork in the weeks and months ahead.